New Renault Clio unveiled. GR set to clash in Cape Town. Nissan doubles down. Will China support local jobs? This is All Things Motoring News. New Renault Clio unveiled, with the 6th generation model featuring a striking design, fresh tech and a duo of new engine options. The Clio's sculpted bodywork features 66mm longer and, interestingly, slightly narrower, down 30mm, than the outgoing model. The wheelbase has been stretched by 8mm to 2,591mm. What are your thoughts on the new Clio? Leave your comments below. 2025 South African Touring Car Championship this weekend. The 2025 championship is rapidly approaching its conclusion, and this weekend's penultimate round at Killarney International Raceway in Cape Town promises to be a pivotal one. Toyota Gazoo Racing will once again field 3 entries. This week's action gets underway with practice on Friday the 12th of September, followed by qualifying and 2 races on Saturday, 13th of September. Who do you have your money on for the championship? Leave your comments below. Nissan speeds up product reveals. Nissan South Africa is keeping things fresh with the updated X-Trail and a cool limited edition Magnite Black Edition. Continuing a year where Nissan has already launched the Navara Pro 4X Warrior, the Stealth versions and Magnite Move panel van. These new models show Nissan's continued investment in South Africa, where they've been doing business for over 60 years. Is Nissan doing enough to keep you interested? Leave your comments below. Chinese car factories on the cards for South Africa. South Africa is in talks with Chinese automakers to encourage them to invest in local production, with one manufacturer showing strong interest in building cars locally. Africa's most developed car manufacturing hub is at an inflection point, with a drop in domestic output and a surge in imported vehicles, mostly from China. South Africa is also reviewing its tariff regime as it seeks to protect the local sector from low-cost imports. Do you think the government is doing enough? Leave your comments below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS, the online vehicle trading platform that buyers trust.